Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you the blind spot detection that we did for 2019 Range Rover Velar. So we do matching color. There is two sensors that they go on the left and right side of the bumper. These are the original ones. The car is kind of dirty, but it's exact same look, so it doesn't damage the look of the car, and it's exactly same matching colors. So I'm gonna get inside the car and show you how this function works. Technically we put two small LED detection that they blink when you use the right or left turn signal light. One on the left, one on the right hand side. So we're just gonna drive and test it out. So by using the right signal light, you see the blind spot is activated and we get close to an object and it's blinking. And if something close to the left side, it blinks and it shows some object is on left hand side. If you're interested to get this type of blind spot detections, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can visit our website at www.4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.